Blue Decimal Private Limited. I have come to ask for 5 crores at 10% equity. We do precise weather monitoring. What we do? We tell at 7:51 a.m. it will going to rain at 11:57 a.m. at your precise location. How we do? Do you guys watch TV? Do you guys watch TV?
Nobody watches TV anymore.
So, you guys notice that when there is a change in the weather, there is a distortion, loss in the signals. Yes.
I'm a Netflix guy.
Okay, so you guys watch TV. So when there is a change in the weather, there is a loss of signals. So we use that loss of signals to predict the weather very precisely at your own location. So current partners in the market. So we are right now connected with the IMD, sharing the data with the satellite and our own Bhugol nodes. Then connected with some NGOs like Kisan Sanchar, we are installing the nodes to the farmers at free of cost. So we get the feedback from the farmers and giving that feedback to the data analysts for the better services or for the better products in the market. Next, please. So when there is a IMD only in the market, you can see that there are more spendings and very less earnings. When they are using with the Bhugol nodes, there is less spendings and more earnings in the market, as well as in the same case with the farmer companies also, with the farmer consultancy companies also, with the warehouse owners also. Right. So as there are many competitors in the market also already, that like SkyMet Weather is there, Dark Sky is there, but Bhugol is the only which can be affordable and with the high accuracy in the market. So in the 5th year, there is the break-even point, that is the financial projections of the Bhugol. So in the addressable market, we have two types of market, that is untrained market and the trained market. In trained market, we have B2B services which we are offering, API services to the BCCI, aviation companies, consultancy companies, etc. But in untrained market, we have hospitals, amusement parks are there, mining companies are there, insurance companies are there. So we ask 5 crores at 10% equity, and a strategic partner is there also. So our team is a multidisciplinary team. We have management guys also, we have data analysts also. So we are the best team as a way for the team we need. So in the traction part, we are the first from the India, that is a globally winner at GIST 2019. We are already raised 1 crore without losing any equity. So, and we are already incubated at IIM Bangalore at NSR Cell. And I will promise you that in the 5th year, we will be as big as the Google Maps in the market. Thank you.
So, tell me something. Did you take this 50 crore valuation to IMB Bangalore guys? Did they advise you on that?
Yes.
They think it's okay?
Yes.
You should ask them to invest. 50 crores. How much have you bootstrapped this?
How much have you invested in this?
4 lakhs. When did you start?
1 year back.
So in 1 year, 4 lakh has become 50 crore valuation. What did you do?
So it's about after 5 years, it's the valuation of...
After 5 years, you break even.
Yeah.
I have to give you money at a 50 crore valuation, wait for 5 years. I must need to have something. I want to see what the investors think. Any questions?
No, my first question would be what a proposal Nalinji yesterday talked about. Why don't we reverse this? Can you explain to him your thought process?
Reverse this. What would be your offer for the reversal? You'll give him the money but reverse.
Yes.
So here's how it works. What he's saying is, you want 5 crores for 10%.
Yes.
You are selling a dream which is going to break even after 5 years, but you are taking hard cash today. So what he's saying is, he'll give you the 5 crores, you give 90% of the company to him, as you meet your milestones, which you have given in the beautiful chart, and he'll give 6 months extra time for each milestone. He'll give you 6 months extra time for each milestone you have written, and when at the 5th year, you will own back 90%. He'll transfer back 80% of the shares to you. He'll go down to 10% if you meet your milestones with a 6-month margin. Are you okay? Because it says hard cash, you are only selling a dream.
And I also have a follow-up question after this. You can answer that later.
First,
tell me what's the value? We have survived for thousands of years without, with all the technology, even in the recent years. The weather forecast comes, How do you use it in a real world? Give me a case study or an example. 3 hours before, I'm a farmer, I get to know it's gonna rain. Or I'm the BCCI guy,
Okay.
and I have already scheduled a match in Mohali.
Okay.
3 hours before the match, you tell me बारिश होने वाली है.
Okay.
What will I do?
आप पिच को सेव कर सकते हो ऑलरेडी बीसीसीआई के अंदर, मैच के अंदर पिच खराब नहीं होगी, आप दोबारा कंटिन्यू करो.
वो तो आज टेक्नोलॉजी है कि you can press a button and the ground gets covered.
उसके लिए आपका वो टाइम बचता है. एंड फार्मर्स के लिए, farmers can save per acre 4,000 rupees by using the pesticides and fertilizers.
Okay, you have your,
Where will you spend this 5 crores?
We have to spend for the workstations also, for our company also, because we need office also. We need that workstation for the AI engines also.
You spend 4 lakhs
Yes.
per year, and now you want 5 crores.
Yes.
That is 100 times what you spend.
So we need that because for these things we need to expand.
Is there any hardware involved?
Yes. So, AI machine learning is also data warehouse also is there also for us. Cloud computing is also for there.
okay, I see red flags all around. Thank you. How many in the audience show a green flag if you think 50 crore valuation justifies this?
Flags are red.
Yeah, I don't think you got a single green flag.
So you need to think
You
about
need
the
to think
valuation.
about that, okay? We'll work with
The
you.
idea is good, but you think about the valuation.
We'll talk about it over the next 90 days, but definitely it's way off. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.